Greetings everybody, Z-Lethal here. I'm going to be displaying the expansion of my PS5 internal storage space, as well as discussing less expensive alternative solutions, as M.2/internal storage can be pretty pricey at this point in time. Currently, I'm going to be putting in the WD Black SN850 NVMe M.2 internal storage. The MSRP currently is $259.99. The requirements for the internal storage on a PS5 are ranging from 5,000 to 5,500 read speeds, as well as having a heatsink on your internal storage for it to be PS5 ready or compatible. This particular unit reads up to 7,000 megabytes per second. Right now what you've seen was me take off the top of the PlayStation 5 cover, where you'll see the internal M.2 storage location. There's a cover on top of the M.2 which requires you to unscrew, and you can see 4 available slots depending on what size your M.2 storage will be. And this is a little screw hole housing that will basically be placed in one of those 4 available slots that you see. And as you can see, you will put your M.2 inside. You might have to look in pretty closely to get a nice fit. Once you have it placed in and clamped down, you will see which of the pinholes you'll have to use and place the housing unit in. It's easy to keep it there as it has a little indent in the board, so you don't have to hold it into place. Now, being that this is pretty pricey for a 2 terabyte solution, you can get 4 terabyte external hard drives ranging in between $100 and $120, which doubles the capacity of the internal storage and is a little bit more than half the price of the internal M.2 storage. You might not get as fast reading speeds, but if you just need the storage space, 4 terabytes, $100 to $120 is a pretty good bargain. You can find it at all your popular marketing vendors. And as you can see, if you're replacing the internal storage, it is a good opportunity for you to clean the under of the cover, as it'll get pretty dusty, as you can see. The under part of the cover also has prongs that can show you where you will be placing the cover back on once it's time to put it back onto the PlayStation. And on the PlayStation itself, you can see the little divots where those prongs will be placed to kind of give you an idea of how to navigate the cover back onto the PlayStation. If you found this video useful or helpful at all, feel free to leave any likes or comments below. And also, I'd like to know, what solution have you used if you decided to expand the storage on your PlayStation? Feel free to comment that information below. Thank you for watching.